Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Neek Lynn, and this is the place where braiders turn to learn braided hairstyles, develop tenacious hustle, and of course, flourish in hope. Today's style is going to be on none other than the trending Heart Braid Lemonade Braids. So I'm going to show you exactly how to go through and do these hearts. Guys, this style has been trending for a while and I really had to get it on my channel. So I am super excited to show you. And if you are excited to see the rest of this style, keep watching. Okay, so you can see that our heart is parted. We're going to put a little bit of product just around the perimeter. But here's the important part, guys. We have to part this heart right down the center. And you can really use the center of the point, like where the heart dips down. You can use that as a guide in order to make your line to come down the middle. Okay, and from this middle line that we just created, now we're going to part a diagonal line from that line that we just parted in the middle. This diagonal line is going to help make the braid turn in order to make that heart shape. So I like to add stitch detail to my heart. So what you're going to see me do now is I'm going to split off the section that's going to start the braid. Then I'm going to take that section and I'm going to part it in half, just like we would anytime we were doing stitch braids. So you could see that I'm going on the inside of the perimeter of the heart and parting it in half. And now that I have it set up, I'm just going to go ahead and do a stitch braid the way that I normally would. So I'm going to separate that little piece off, do a couple braid movements, and then I'm going to begin by pulling in small pieces on each side of the part that I separated. So I am actually not going to add any of the braiding hair to this part of the design. Now I know that some braiders probably would add some pieces of hair to the heart, but I say that it depends on your client's hair texture. Now in today's case, my client has very thick and full hair, so there's really no need for me to add the additional hair. However, if her hair was thinner, then I would add very small pieces to this part of the heart. So with that being said, use your own judgment as you work your way around the heart. And then once the heart is going to cross, that's when I'll start adding my pieces. Now for this side of the heart, I'm going to do the same exact thing. I am going to make sure that the inside of the heart is parted in half. So that way, not only does it serve as a guide for me to work my way around the round portion of the heart, it also helps me to pull in my stitches on each side. And let me know in the comments, like if you guys should actually try this, let me know if parting the heart on the inside in the middle, let me know if you found that helpful, because I know for me, after doing these hearts a few times, like that really seems to help me get the stitch detail inside the heart. Also, you don't have to do this part, and unfortunately I wasn't able to get it on camera, but I will come back and do another heart tutorial just to show you even more in depth. But this portion here can be sewn down. Now, you don't have to do it, but if you really want those two braids to stay crossed, you can take some thread and needle and just make a little stitch in order to keep them together. So I'm gonna let you just go ahead and watch the rest of this video. I don't wanna be super repetitive, especially because there is another heart in the back of the style. Also, if you wanna see a few of the lemonade braids be done, make sure you keep watching. Last but not least, guys, if you like this video or if you found this video helpful, go ahead and make sure that you leave an actual like on this video. And then if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section. And of course, can't forget this part, but please subscribe to the channel. If you want to join our Hair Hustle Hope family here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you will be notified of any newest uploads. And if you really want to be a part of the behind the scenes and just part of the conversation, go ahead and join us on Hair Hustle Hope Collective on Facebook. That's a group where we spend a lot of time nurturing and just being community and being family. So if you are needing a braid family, go ahead and join us there as well. And as always, guys, God bless, and I will talk to you in the next one.